Okay, guys, here we go. We are literally inside the car because there is so much stuff being taken out for the moment. We have the new harness routed. Everything is plugged in. Proper connections points plugged in. Oh, I got to do one more. Sorry. I'm a bad mechanic. I forgot a clip. But whoever built the car didn't put lights on the side. So we got to figure out what to do. Got it on both sides. So, short video, just keeping you guys updated. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have about 80% of the front harness ran to where it needs to go, except it keeps getting caught in everything. Okay, here we go. Let me do that right. Hold on. Firewall alternator with a new bracket to hold it, which I think is super, super cool. I have 80% of this routed, but not hooked up yet, because I didn't pay attention and I forgot. I know I forgot something, I'm old. That the wiring harness feeds through a spot not much bigger than 2 fingers. Now, if they're really cute, I'll do 3 fingers, but, you know, whatever, 2 fingers. And you have to fit all the connections through, all the way through. So you have to bring in 80% of the harness through that little, I don't know if I can get any light up in there to show you guys really, really good. I'm hoping, maybe, no. Okay, I'll try it from the side. Okay, you can just barely see the hole that it goes through. There's just not a lot of room. So you have to do it one connector at a time. So it's one, then pull that one through, then pull that one through. Then you have to be careful so you don't break anything. It's like, oh my God, I love these cars, but I hate these cars in the same aspect. So now we'll start running the headlights, get that all in place, run the turn signals, get everything hooked up for Das noisemaker, and get everything ready to go, because this is getting the electric conversion to, oh look, it's winking at me, electric headlights, which I think is amazing. I love the idea that you can do that with these. A little bit more cleaning again, I got the body dirty. But we'll get it up and running, get it together, get it where it needs to be, and get it running. Okay, see you on the next one.